Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the trigger on your Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner. First, make sure your vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Safety is paramount when working with electrical devices. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. Set the screws aside in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You will see the battery inside. To remove the battery, press the release button and pull it out carefully. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that you are pressing the button fully. Remember, if you don't have the tools or prefer not to do this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, with the battery removed, locate the trigger mechanism. You will see a small panel that houses the trigger. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry open this panel. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Once the panel is open, you will see the trigger assembly. To remove the trigger, you will need to unscrew the small screws holding it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. As you remove each screw, keep them organized to ensure you can easily reassemble everything later. If you find it challenging to hold the screws, tweezers can be very helpful. After removing the screws, gently pull the trigger out of its housing. Take a moment to clean the area inside the trigger housing with a soft cloth or a small brush. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, affecting the performance of your vacuum. A clean environment will ensure your new trigger functions properly. Now, take your new trigger and align it with the housing. Push it into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely fitted. Next, replace the screws you previously removed, tightening them gently but firmly. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws or damage the housing. Once the trigger is secured, close the panel you pried open earlier. Ensure it snaps back into place without any gaps. Now it's time to reinstall the battery. Slide it back into the compartment until it clicks into place. Replace the battery cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. If you're feeling uncertain about any part of this process, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can have your vacuum repaired without any hassle. No calls, no travel. Just let us know, and we'll take care of the rest. Finally, plug in your vacuum and turn it on to test the new trigger. Make sure it operates smoothly and responds correctly. If everything is functioning as it should, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson SV14. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. And remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Enjoy your freshly repaired vacuum. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.